Hi, this 2015 Kubota has 433 hours, and I'm going to show you all the functions. Pretty much it. Four-wheel drive, wheel spacers, chains. It has a center PTO for a mower deck if you want it, a rear PTO for any other attachments. Thanks for looking.